How to convert a repeated decimal into a fraction. So let's give a quick example about our problem. So we have a number 40.888 and it does not end. So we need to convert it into a fraction because it makes our life easier. So for method, for the first step, we let a is equal to 40.888 just to make things organized. So we just assume that a is the number. Then we would split the decimal part and the integer part. So to split it, we need to write the number as a sum. So a is equal to 40 plus 0.888 and it does not end. As a notation, there's a notation, it exists in mathematics that expresses the repeated decimal, and it's by putting a bar on top of that repeated number. So I rather write it like this. So a is equal to 40 plus 0.8 with a bar. This is much better. So let's continue. We notice that the integer part is not the problem. So it is fine, it is an integer part, it is a number which is fine, totally fine. So our problem is this one. So this is our problem because we have a repeated decimal part. So the real problem, or the real thing we need to deal, so we need to convert that decimal part into a fraction. Then it's all just summations and just some basic stuff. So we can do again. So let's say b is equal to 0.8, this one, this decimal part. And as we can see, the reason why I did this because I will multiply by 10 and you will see the magical thing. So by multiplying by 10 we get 10b is equal to 8.8 bar. So in case you didn't understand this, I can just write this down real quick. So when we multiplied by 10, so we had like b is equal to 0.888, and by multiplying by b we got 10b is equal to, so as you multiply by 10, so this one moves to the other side, so it moves to the integer side, so we get 8.8888 and it doesn't end. So this is the explanation. So we have 10b is equal to this one. We will split the decimal part and the integer part again because we would get this b again. So by splitting it and using the sum again, so it is 8 plus 0.8 bar. As you can see, this is also b, as we said before. This is b because we said this one is b. So this one is b, and we can write down again. So 10b is equal to 8.b, and by moving b to the other side, so it is by adding minus b to both sides, we would just get 9b is equal to 8. And by moving this one to the other side, so we just multiply by 1 over 9. And we get b is equal to 8 over 9, just like this. So we know the value of b as a fraction. So problem solved. We just need to calculate things so we can know our number. So if you can remember, we had 40 plus 0.888, so a was equal to this one, all of this. So 40 plus 0.8, so b is 0.8 bar, so we just write down as 8 over 9. So we write down again. So we know that a was equal to 40 plus b, and I just write down again 0.8 bar. So I'm gonna just write to this form, this fraction, because it's simpler and it makes our life easier. So a is equal to 40 plus a over 9. So we just do some calculations to get a. So by multiplying here by 9 and there 9, we'll just get our results. So 40 times 9, it is 360. So a is equal to 360 over 9 plus 8 over 9, which is equal to 368 over 9. So this is the answer. So this is a. So we just got our number. So from this form, so we had 40.8, and now we have 368 over 9. I think this is a cool way to turn from decimal. To turn from decimal numbers into fractions, and it makes our life very easy, and we can do various things with it. So thank you for watching.